Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be explaining exercise. Let me focus first. Exercise 16 and 17. Okay, good. Before we start, I have good news and bad news. Good news, we hit 2.5k watch time. I'm gonna show you right now. Look, I'm just using my phone to record the video. So look, this is my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel Analytics. So look, we have 2.5k watch time minute. So I'm glad you're enjoying and the videos are helping. Okay, this is good news. In just 6 days, we hit the 2.5 in 6 days. I'm glad it's helping. And bad news, let me focus. And now bad news. This marker is out of ink. I got this new one, but it's bigger. And then it's uncomfortable. It's so hard to find. In Paris, there's like nothing. Everything is hard to find. And of course, like, I want you to subscribe. And then, yeah, it gives me encouragement, but I'm gonna erase this. Because 2.5k, it gives me encouragement because I already know you're watching it and you like the videos. But I want you to subscribe. Why? Because I'll be uploading videos before midterm and finals, and you want to stay updated because all the time I'm sharing the videos in the like Facebook Messenger groups. I'm an exchange student in EPITA, so I'm not in Discord or anywhere. I'm not in any group, so like it's hard to share the videos. I'm glad you like it, you're enjoying it. Okay, now exercise 16. Me means I'm gonna be doing exercise 16, and exercise 17 means you will do it based on exercise 16. So you can find the answer in the description. Okay, now let's start. So before we start, I want to teach you some basic concepts. So like I would say I think I gotta focus a bit. I gotta focus the video. Look, I'm not doing any editing or anything. I'm just using my phone, and then no editing, I just upload it. But to be honest, I'm just trying to fix the camera now. Okay, to be honest, making a video takes like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, or 10 minutes, but uploading it into the internet, it takes like, I don't know, 2 hours. Internet speed is so slow in Paris. I study in Seoul, South Korea, by the way. So like we have this. What is it? This arithmetics, to be honest, it's easier than Taylor expansions. Why? Because it's just like division and addition, subtraction, but in a more advanced way with more advanced notations. Because we are in not high school, sorry, we're in bachelor's degree, right? In EPITA University. It's not high school or midterm anymore. So whenever we have what it means is you divide a. No, it means that n divides a minus b, but like basically like what it means is like how I understand this, you divide a by n and the remainder is b. It's just like this. It's what I understand, but the general definition is it means this n divides n minus b. It's like more advanced way. Okay, and now if you have this one, n divides n a minus b, you can go to this one, or if you have this one, you can go to this one. So properties now. The first one, if you have a mod nb, it means you divide a mod nb. It means for all c in integer, you can multiply both sides by c. So you have ca mod n is equal to cb. And if you have this one, you can calculate the power. A to the k mod n is equal to b to the k. So like it's not equation. It works like equation when it's plus, minus, and multiplication. If it's division, it doesn't work like equation. I mean, there's three the boom lines. So if you have this one, like two of them, if you can add them like a plus c, b plus d, but you only need to write one in, and you can subtract them like this, and then you can multiply them like this. Okay, but mistake, never ever divide. You cannot divide both sides by see, for example, if you have AC and BC mod n, if you have this one, you cannot go to A mod n is B. No. You can find some example, but I'm not gonna give you example, but never do this. So it's this and this properties. We're gonna be using this in exercise 16. Okay, now exercise 16, we have this one, and the thing is like we need to show it's divisible by 7. So it's divisible by 7. not using proof of induction. Okay, now in this case, the goal is just to separate n. What I mean by is that you want to have something like to the n times something plus or minus to the n something. Like, it depends on the problem, but the thing is, like, you want to separate this. You want to change the expression. Right now in this case, you can write this as 3 to n multiply 3 to the 1 plus, it's too big, the marker is too big, it's uncomfortable to write, but this is all I got, 2n times 2 square, right? Okay, and now what I can do is I can continue. You don't have to write this on the final, it's just explanation for you. And then here 3 square is equal to 9 to the n times 3 plus 2 to the n times, it's 4. And now I stop here. So this was the first step. And second step, so let's go back to properties of mod. So because I have 9 here, because I have 2 here, I divide 9 by, I divide 9 by 7 and 2 by 7. Like, what I do is I write 9 here, and then this means mod 7, like this. And you divide 9 by 7, what's the remainder? 2, right? So it's from definition. And okay, and now because of the property, where is my paper? Okay, it's right here. Because of this property number 2, I'm gonna be calculating the power. I can write n here, n here. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, and now I take 2 mod 7. You divide 2 by 7, and then quotient is 0, and was it quotient? Yeah, I think so, whatever. And then remainder is 2. Yes, and now I use the same formula like this, and then I write 2n to n. Okay, and now okay, if you okay, this is explanation, and from here I can continue, but I'm writing 3 like mod, and at the end it should be 7. And if it's mod 7, instead of 2n, you can just, instead of 9 to the n, you write 2 to the n based on this. Multiply 3, and then plus, instead of 2 to the n, it's just 2 to the n, you just write it. Because it's 2 to the n, mod 7 is 2 to the n, multiply 4. And now, you can continue. If 2 to the n goes out, it's 3 plus 4. Oh, it's 4. It's because of the marker. I'll try to get the new one, but I'm not sure. This, and now this is equal to 2 to the n multiply 7 mod 7. And I have a question. If you multiply a if you multiply a number by 7, it means it divides 7, right? So if you divide this thing by 7, the remainder is 0. What it means is, it's proved. For example, at the end, 3 2n plus 1 plus 2n plus 2 divides, this is 0, 7. It means that this expression divides 7, so we proved it. And then if you understand this, you don't have to watch the rest of the video, because in the next I'm gonna be explaining it, because it's exercise 16, and I want you to solve exercise 17. You can find the answer in the description. So here I'm gonna be explanation a little bit more. Explanation of like this part, like this part. Okay, so we have 9n multiply 3 plus 2 to the n multiply by 4. Okay, in this case I take 2 to the 9 to the, okay, I take 9 mod 2 7. You understand this? You divide 9 by 7 and remainder is 2. And now from this I can go to this, right? And then I can multiply this by 3 according to the property of this one, and whenever you multiply you have this one. Okay, multiply 3 mod 7 according to the property of this. Yes, I don't know how to say it in English, I forgot, but it's not important. So and now I have this one and I stop here. This is the first thing, and now I take this one. I have 2 mod 7 is 2 and n, and again I can multiply this by 4, and it's 2 to the n mod 2n multiplied by 4, 7. And look, number 1 and 2, I can add number 1 and 2 because like it's mod 7, so I write mod 7 and mod 7. No, I forgot here 4. I forgot 4. Okay, and now in here, like this thing and this thing, I'm gonna write it here. Oh man, oh, it's quite small. The space is not enough. Plus 2 to the n multiply 4. So mod, look, mod comes here, mod this one plus this one, so I'm erasing this. Okay, 2 to the n multiply 3 plus 2 to the n multiply 4, 7. And this one you can take 2 to the n out, and it's 3 plus 4. So I hope it helped. That's it. So I want you to solve 17 and then comment your answer, or you can check your answer. Bye bye.